This is KP Dharigaudar. Thank you all for watching my videos. If you liked all those videos, like it and share videos, because the entire world is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Everybody should learn it, right? It is your thankfulness also. And for all my videos, you can subscribe my channel so that you will get easily notifications. And comment if you understood something. And for improvement sake also, your comment is required. Okay? Thank you. Today, I am going to give you HCF. In my previous video, you learnt LCM. Now, I am giving you HCF. HCF. What is HCF? HCF is highest. H stands for highest. Some people call it as GCF also. GCF. Greatest common factor. Common factor. Not factory. Factor. Factor. Highest common factor. What is that highest common factor? First, we have to understand what is factor. See, all factors of 6R means from which numbers 6 is divisible, isn't it? 6 can be divisible by 1 and itself. 1 6 is a 6 and 2 3 is a 6. In between any number is there? No. So, all factors of 6 are 4. Means total 6 has 4 factors. Means 6 is divisible by only 4 numbers. They are 1 and itself and 2 and 3. If it has 2 factors, then it is prime number. The number having only 2 factors is prime number. So, it is more than 2 it should have. So, it has 4 factors. Understood? All factors of 100. Okay, go. Another method also I am giving you. 100 is 250 is see, it is even number, isn't it? So, automatically divisible by 2. So, 2 when you write now, and its 50% should be written. 1 if it is written, its 100% should be written. And is it divisible by 3? No, its sum is only 1. So, it is not divisible by 2. It is definitely divisible by 4 because it is end with 2 zeros. And it's 25% because 400 has 4 25s. Then it is ends in 0. So, it is divisible by 5. 5 20s. 20 currency notes. In 100 rupees, 5 currency notes makes 100 rupees. 5. If you won't understand, you can divide it. 5 2s are 10, 0. And 5 this side writing and 20 this side writing. See, here, this is not divisible by 3, so we should not check 6. Whether it is divisible by 7, we have to divide and see. 7 1s are 7, 3 remains, 30 is not in the table of 7. Okay. 8's table, 3 zeros are required. If it is odd number, 2 zeros, no. 3 zeros compulsory. if it is even number, then 2 zeros okay. Even number with 2 zeros okay. Odd number with 2 zeros is not divisible. Write it. Then whether it is 9 divisible? No, it is not testable also, because already it has not been divided by. So check. Its sum is 9. Sum is 1. 1 is not in the table of 9. Then we have to go for 10. 10 tens are. 2 tens we should not write. We are checking its factors, not 2 factors. Same 2. This is divisible by 10. That's all. Plain writing it is. 10 tens are no. Isn't it? So, these are how many factors has 100 then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 factors has 100. 100 has 9 factors. 100 has 9 factors. 100 has 9 factors. If this is square number, then odd factors will come. Odd factors. 9, 225 if you taken. 225 is an odd factor. Another, you can go for 16. See, 1 16 ja, 2 8 ja, and 3 no, 4 4 ja. See, 1 2 3 4 5 5 is odd, isn't it? However, 6 is 20 is not square number. So then, 1 20 ja, 2 10 ja, 3 no, 4 5 ja. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 even factors it has. Okay. See. How many factors has 100? Then A will be B, C, D, 9, 10, 12, 8 if it is so. Then we should not crack all these directly, we can write this, because 100 is a square number, so uneven, odd factors will come. Like this you can do. This is also good method for doing 200 factors. 1 200s are 200s are, its double, its half. And its sum is 2, 3 no, 4 50s are, its double, its half. 5 40s are, 5 4s are, 0s are. 6, it's not divisible by 3, so 7 2s are 14, 60 is not in the table of 7, it is not. 8, even number with 2 zeros, Nakki. It's double and it's half. See, 4C it is double, 50 is half is 25. 9, no, because sub is 2. 10, 20s are. 11, no, its sum is 2 only. 12, 3, 4, if it is 12. 13, no. 13, we have to check it. 13, 1 is 13, 70 is not in the. 14, if it is divisible by 4 and 7, then 14, 2 and 7. 14 it is not. 15, how you are going? All this, how? 15 is there, 16 is there, 17 is there, 18 is there, 19, 20, 20 is there. Up to 19 you are going to check? No. How many you have to check? finding if it is nearest square root is nearest I will write nearest square root of 200 will be how much? See, 14 is 196. It falls between 15 and 14, 200. Then up to 14 you have to check. That's all. You should not go for 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Then how many factors has 200? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and these 6. 12 factors has 200 has 12 factors. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Understood? First, finding the square root, nearest square root of 200, whichever number, given number. Then up to that you have to check. Up to 14. I checked here 11, 12, 13, 14. I have not gone for 15 because 15, 16, 17, 18, no. See, why we have to take square root? See, 25s. 125 is a 5 5 is a or 6 we should not check. Below we can. 2 it is not, 3 it is not, 4 it is not. So 3 factors has 25. Like this. First you have to find its nearest square root. Okay? You understood what is factor now. Then what is common factor? So when it is common is asked, then at least 2 numbers are required. So see, HCF of 6 and 8. Then you go for factors. As you understood factors, so all factors of 6 are 1 6 2 3. All factors of 8 are 1 8 2 4. Then which are common factors? All factors you written common factors. Common factors of 8 are 1 2 3 4. 1 2 4 8. 1 2 are common factors. Isn't it? Among them highest is 2. So HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Okay, HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. It means that the largest number divides given numbers. See, 2 can divide, this 2 can divide 6, 2 3s, isn't it? And 2 4s 8. 2 can divide 6 and 8. The largest number, and 2 is the largest number. 1 can divide, but 1 is least number, whereas 2 can divide this 6 and 8. So 2 is HCF. And this method is called all factor method. All factor method it is. Finding HCF through all factor method is costly one, because first we have to find all factors of 6 and 8, and again common factors we have to write, then we go for this HCF. So this is costly method, so nobody will carry this method. And which method we have to go then? Okay, we have to go division method. Sorry, prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. What is this prime factorization method? LCM of 10 and 15. Sorry, HCF of 10 and 15. How we have to find separate prime factorization method? Separate. Separate prime factorization method. See, 10's prime factors we have to find. 2 5s are 5 1s are 15's 3 5s are 5 1s are. And common among these two is that 5 itself is HCF. Only common ones. If two common are there, then you have to multiply those two common factors. Here only one came, though HCF is 5. HCF of 32 and 48 if it is asked. Then finding 32's all factors, prime factors. Prime factorization of 32 we have to do. 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 1 2 3 4 5 2s are 48. 2 24s are 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are. Hey, another 1 3 1s are. Up to 1 we have to do. Then how many common are there? Four 2's are common here. So HCF is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 4 4's are 16. See, 16 can divide 32 and 48. 16 2's are 48. 16 3's are 40. 16 2's are 32. 16 3's are 48. Isn't it? But this method is also very difficult, because we are finding here two sides and all separate. So only prime factorization method we have to go for. That is C. (54) and 63. Another one you can take. HCF of 45, 54 and 63. Okay, we'll do. See, prime factorization method. All together we have to find prime factors. All together we have to go. See, 4 plus 5, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 3, 9, all they are in 9th table. Hey, prime factorization method, they are all in 3's table. 3 15s are 45, 3 1s are you taken, 2 remain, 3 8s are, 3 2s are, 3 1s are. 3 15s are 45, 18 3s are 54, 21 3s are 64. Again you go for that. 3 5s are, 3 6s are, 3 7s are. And here 5, 6, 7 are co-prime numbers. These are all co-prime numbers. See here, co-prime numbers means what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Both are then divisible numbers. Composite number 14, 15. Still they are co-primes. What is co-prime then? Whose HCF is 1 is called co-prime. See here 5, 6, 7 are not divisible by any number because its HCF is 1. So if you go up, you will be in danger. So mark here that danger mark and multiply these two. 3 3s are 9. Then 9 itself is HCF of these three numbers. Got? See, 9 is HCF. 9 itself is HCF of 54. This method is very sweet method, whereas sometimes it won't help you. At that time, what you have to do? You have to go for in our Navodaya challenge it is been given, that is one number is there, that is what is the HCF of here is there. What is the HCF of 437 and 323. It is best example for prime factorization method, isn't it? Because it won't help you, prime factorization method. So you need to go for continuous division method. Which method? Continuous division. See, 4, 3, 7, 7, 14. 3, 2, 5, 3, 8. 14 and 8. In which table they are? It is not in the table of 3. It is not in the table of... No. Then how can you decide from which number it is divisible? So, you have to divide bigger number by smaller number. Computing them only. 437 divided by 323. See, 1s are 323. 4, 1, 1. Then again you have to divide. Which divided that bigger number? Previous number you have to carry forward, isn't it? So it is carried here. And see, 114's nearest is 110 you can take. 110 3s are 330. Whereas this is 3s are now 2s are. 2s it is 2 to 8, isn't it? Then 13 minus 8 is 5, and this is 9, this is 0, 95. Again you have to divide 114 from 95. 95 is double is 180. 1 za 9. 11 minus 10 is 11 minus 10 is 1. Then you have to divide 95 from 19. 19 5s are 95. See, this made 0. Which made 0? 19 made 0. So, HCF of 437 and 323 is 90. Okay, continuous division method. See, continuous it is going. One number I taken, I forgotten that it gone up to one page, full page, one large paper. Then lastly, only one got. Okay, understood? 4 methods. First one is all factorization method, and second one is separate prime factorization method. Third one is prime factorization method. Fourth one is continuous division method. Now I am giving you mouth calculation. Mouth calculation. How we have to do mouth calculation? See, find the HCF of 10, 20 and 40. See, what is the HCF of 10, 20 and 40? See here, among given numbers, if smallest number is factor of remaining numbers. Smallest number is factor of remaining number. See, 20's factor is 10, 40's factor is 10. So, that smallest number itself is HCF. One rule we got. Among given numbers, if smallest number is factor of other remaining numbers, then that smallest one number itself is HCF. Once again read it. Among given numbers, if smallest number is factor of remaining numbers, then that smallest number itself is HCF. Okay. And second rule is, say, 2, 3, 5. What is HCF? 101, 103. See, these are all prime numbers. HCF of prime numbers will be there. Sorry, HCF of prime numbers will be, why will be common? It is 1 is the HCF of prime numbers. One is the HCF of prime. This one itself. See, these are all divisible by 1 only, because its factors are different, isn't it? Only two factors they have. So 1 will be the HCF of prime numbers. See, these two rules you have to find. And one more thing you want to check, that is how you have to do mouth calculation. In rare cases, you can go for 48, 32, 64 if it is given. Then say check 32. 32's double is 64. 32's nearest it is, not double. 32 is HCF of 64 and 32 because it's smallest number. Whereas 48, then you have to check these two, isn't it? Then 38's half you have to do. Factor you have to find. 16. 16 3 is a 48, 16 2 is a 32. So 16 itself is HCF of 48, 32, 64. See, they are all given from 16's table only, isn't it? Okay. What is HCF? The largest number divides the given numbers. 16 divides all these three. It's half you did and automatically you got it. What is the HCF of 60, 70, 80? Commonly you can understand that. Commonly you can understand that 10. Isn't it? So, one more method I am giving you, that is usual division method. Usual division method. How it is usual division method? See, 120, 130, 300 HCF. Commonly you have to divide this. Not prime number, series number. 10, 12 ja, 13 ja, 30 ja. 12 and 30 can be divisible, whereas 13 is not divisible. So, danger is there. So, 10 is HCF. Okay, like this, as the stage, likewise you have to dance, isn't it? If pick and act is given and your role is given as Satya Harishchandra, then you should not do like Vishwamitra, isn't it? As you have to check yourself. And 5 methods I given you. One is 6 methods. One is all factorization method. The second is separate factorization method. Third is which one? Continuous division method, and one more is mouth calculation. I given you can rewind and understand that. So in next videos I will take the applications of this HCF. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much.